friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window and welcome to our Tahoe quilt along. We are making beautiful diamonds and today we're gonna be making diamond number 7. I am so happy for you guys. I'm telling you, with every diamond, your quilt is just glowing. I'm so excited. Every diamond we make 8 times. So 7, this is diamond number 7. We're going to be making it 8 times. I encourage you to start chain sewing. Don't do any more 1 diamond at a time. I'm telling you, you can do it. Things are going to be beautiful. You're going to have a beautiful, beautiful quilt. Today's diamond is so simple. You didn't even have to make strip panels for this one. All that you did is cut your strips, select them, and cut them into sets. I could not wait, so I already took the light 2 and sewed them into the middle one. Oh, that was so quick and so much fun. All that I have to do is now take the top, place it right over, stitch, flip it open, make sure I open my seam, and do the same thing in the bottom. Do not forget pins. You are getting to be really good in putting those diamonds together. I'm really happy for you, and I'm looking forward to many pictures that you're gonna be posting of this beautiful project. I want to take a little bit more time today on trimming. I know you probably need some help, and this is a perfect time to do it. Look at, I finished this block and I already opened all the seams. Let me move this out of the way, and I have one that I did not trim yet. So what I'm going to do is take my diamond, I'm gonna place it right over and see how I did. Oh, pretty close. I'm so proud of myself. Just tiny bit of trimming. Look at this. I'm gonna go ahead, trim here and trim here, those bunny ears. Be careful that nothing is moving, so that way you do nice job trimming. I'm gonna go ahead, turn this unit around, match my diamond back right on it. This is really nice, and I'm gonna go ahead and trim right here. I don't even need to trim anything on this side, just tiny bit, very, very low. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? I am so excited for you guys. Keep going, keep making beautiful diamonds, and I can't wait to show you how we're going to be putting them into this beautiful, beautiful quilt. So if you're just joining us, make sure you visit our website for more information about this fun event. Don't forget, guys, when you're taking pictures and posting them on social media, make sure you tag us so I get to see your beautiful, beautiful quilt. And I tell you, if you tag me on your pictures later on, after 24 days, after we're making all the diamonds, I'm gonna be browsing through that social media, and I'm gonna pick some winners to treat them for a backing for this beautiful quilt. So if you want to be part of the drawing, make sure you tag us, Tahoe Quilt Along, and I love to see your progress on your beautiful diamonds. Happy quilting, and I can't wait to show you diamond number 8.